When I was 12, as prep for braces, an orthodontist pulled 8 teeth, and putting braces on, it sinks the face inward. And it didn't look right. I'm Amy, and I had the uppers done right before Christmas of 2022, and the lowers around mid-April of 2023, so I'm just at the 1-year mark. Every direction I've gone in has been so frustrating. So I was driving home, I was crying, and I passed Smiles by Design. And I thought, he's the one person who could probably help me. So I made an appointment. I actually made a couple appointments, and I was shown the severity of the lack of root. He said, I have an idea. Let's try putting the teeth in pairs. Every tooth will have a buddy. So it's a buddy system that will cause less tugging on the root. And we went down this path. I was nervous. So the uppers went in just in time for Christmas, which was wonderful. And then the lowers went in, and I have a bridge. It's actually a 5-tooth bridge to really keep things in place. I really appreciated how much they worked with me individually for my super complex case that had all these complicated considerations that had to come together in one solution. I don't think there's anyone else that could have done that.